Top 5 Penultimate Niche Research, Episode 13. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with the 13th episode of the Top 5 Penultimate Niche Research. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first niche of the day is this Be Kind Sign Language. This design is soaring again as a result of our recent predicament. So as you guys know, the anti-Asian hate protest is going on, and just like the Black Lives Matter protest was going on a few months ago, this one too is soaring because it all relates to the same message being passed that everyone should be kind to one another regardless of race. And this Be Kind t-shirt kind of sums up that message. It has a ton of skin tones, so obviously your skin tone also fits to this, so it passed on the message. Now looking at the BSR, first of all, the price is priced at 17.96, sold over 437 times, over 100, over 1,310 reviews. Going back to the BSR, you can see it has been going down and up and going down and up because of the protests. The protests have been going and coming, going and coming. And as you can see from the BSR, overall trend is up. Scrolling down to the keywords, here's the keywords that we can use. You can add anything related to anti-Asian in order to make it relevant to a present situation. Now scrolling down, here are similar designs, and from the same brand, this is a similar design. Moving on to niche number 2, well, it's the same niche but a different design. So I like to do 2 to 3 different designs in the same niche just for you to see a different kind of design or a different way to make the same design. So this one is kind of similar to the first design. It has different tones of skin colors, and it says melanin. Scrolling down, it's priced at 17.97, 68 reviews. 17.97 is priced at 17.97, 68. That's sold 68 times, over 1,000 reviews. Going down to the BSR. Oh, so I just noticed something. They have included this yellow line. At first, it wasn't there, it was just this blue line. So, this yellow line now is the price. So, the price was first of all 21, then it dropped to 15, then increased back to 16, 17, 18. So it has remained now at 18. That's where the current price is right now. So the overall trend is up. Estimated sale 68. And the keywords. These are the keywords that you can use if you're interested in getting into this niche. All right, moving on to niche number 2 is this autism. Autism awareness is coming up in April. So these shirts are doing very well. And this is a design that says, I don't speak much because I'm brilliant and I'm busy thinking. So it's an outfit for autism awareness. And let's take a look at the BSR. BSR is slowly approaching 1, and current trend up, overall trend up. Scrolling down to the keywords, you can see the keywords that you can use for this kind of design. And yeah, different designs from the same brand. This is a different design, but it has been put on a sweatshirt. It has been put on a hoodie. And this one says, autism always unique, totally intelligent, sometimes mysterious. This looks like it was put in the EU because I can see pound there. All right, moving on to another autism awareness design. This one says autism awareness, choose kind. Yes, choose kind. So it's kind of similar to this be kind design right here. It says choose kind. Now we should be kind to those who have autism. Okay, so let's take a look at the BSR. Its first of all price is 17.99 over 76 sales, 17 reviews, and the BSR2 is slowly approaching 1, and overall trend is up. Scrolling down, we can see the keywords that you can use as well as other designs that are worth noticing. So let me know in the comment section below. Have you guys ever tried uploading your design to a hoodie, like a zip hoodie, not the regular hoodie? Let me know in the comment section below. I've never done that before. I feel that the design is too small because looking at this one too, it says less than 2 sales. So I'm not sure if I'm the only one who is not having sales when I place it on zip hoodies. If you've ever had sales with your design on a zip hoodie, let me know in the comment section below. I'm not sure if zip hoodies are a great product for merch by Amazon. I'm just doing research and gathering my findings. So guys, let me know in the comment section below if you've ever had sales with zip hoodies. Because I can see here, no sales too. So I'm not sure if I'm the only one experiencing this. The design kind of looks very small on a zip hoodie as compared to a t-shirt. Look at this. It's a t-shirt right here in the EU market, and this is a zip hoodie design looking very small. So I'm guessing that's what is discouraging the customers from purchasing. I'm just doing research. So guys, please let me know in the comment section below if you've ever had sales using zip hoodies. Moving on to the next niche is the retired 2021 niche. This t-shirt says retired 2021. I worked my whole life for this shirt. So this is for those who went into retirement 2021. It's priced at 16.95, over 70 sales and 48 reviews. So many people have been forced to go into retirement very early because of the pandemic, and many people have had to purchase this shirt just because of that, like to show that they retired. All right, overall trend is up, current trend up, and you can see the BSR slowly approaching 1. Moving on to the keywords, you can see retirement, humor, retired gift, shirt. Yes, take out gift. Anytime you want to include keywords related to gift into merch by Amazon, I wouldn't advise that as gift is a banned word on merch by Amazon. So here are similar designs. And we're moving on to the next niche. So I have about 2 bonus niches. Yes, in this video collection, I have 2 bonus niches. So I think this is the fourth niche, if I'm not mistaken, or the third. Yeah, this is the third niche. I have 2 more at the end. So stick around if you want to find out all those niches. So moving on, this one is related to the summer. Spring is already here and summer is not too far away. It says, I smoke meat and I know things. So this is kind of related to Game of Thrones. As you can see, anyone who has watched Game of Thrones will know this is related to Game of Thrones, but it is written nowhere around the description Game of Thrones, because anytime you add Game of Thrones, it's trademarked. The word Game of Thrones is trademarked. And if you include that in your description, if when you're submitting your design to Mesh by Amazon, it's definitely gonna be rejected. But we all know this design is related to Game of Thrones. So it says that's what I do. I smoke meat and I know things. So I'm kind of confused. Is it Tyrion Lannister who said I drink and I know things? Because I've been seeing that design on so many t-shirts. Is it just because he loved drinking, or is it because He actually said it like, I drink and I know things. I'm kind of confused there. So guys, Game of Thrones lovers, Game of Thrones fans, if you guys know the answers to this question, please let me know in the comment section below. I'm a little bit confused here. I know it's kind of off topic, but I just had to pull it out there. All right, moving on to our BSR. We can see that it's slowly approaching one, and the BSR says about trend up, current trend up. Like I told you, summer is coming, and many people are purchasing this shirt because they're gonna be grilling a lot of things, grilling meats, grilling corn, grilling everything that can be grilled under the sun is gonna be grilled. So here's the keywords and similar designs. Okay, this one says at smoke that. This is kind of funny because we can smoke chicken. I can see chicken up here. We can smoke pork, that is a pig. We can smoke beef from a cow, but we definitely cannot smoke, do I say dinosaur meat? Because it doesn't exist. So this is kind of funny. Similar way out. This one too we can smoke. Okay, this one is on a phone. I'm guessing Samsung or so. And it has definitely sold a few times, over 5 times. You see, if a design is selling, you should put it on other products if you have space. All right, moving on to the next niche is a baseball T-shirt. So I saw the design and I went immediately. Hey, when is the baseball season? So I did some research. The baseball season 2021 starts April 1st, Thursday, and ends on Sunday, October 3rd. So that's why this t-shirt has started roaring. Many people are buying this, and it says New York. I'll be careful with the baseball niches if you want to get into it. Be careful not to infringe on anyone's trademark. This one is doing quite well. Over 63 sales, 70 reviews, and BSR overall trend up, current trend up. Moving on to the keywords, you can see the keywords here and similar designs from the same brand. All right, moving on to our bonus niches. This one says straight out of my 20s. So I chose the design because it's first of all funny. It's a birthday funny t-shirt that you can swap up. I mean, for the designers, we can swap these 20s. We can swap the 20s to 30s, straight out of my 30s, straight out of my 40s, straight out of my 50s, just like that. So that's why I went for this t-shirt. It's funny, and I like the fact that you can swap those words to make more designs. So let's take a look at the price. 16.95 over 62 sales, 328 reviews. Moving on to the BSR, it has kind of been constant except here where it like fell, then dropped again, but it has kind of been constant. So overall trend is up, and here are the keywords. And I hope that was not too fast. I mean, for the keywords. And here, similar designs from the same brand. Okay, the last bonus niche is this proud mom of a 2021 senior. So seniors are already will soon be graduating, and obviously graduation niche is one of the ones that boom during a particular season. So that season is slowly approaching, and here's a t-shirt that you can make for graduating seniors. So this one says proud mom of a 2021 senior. You can also change his mom to proud dad, proud sister, proud uncle, proud grandma, grandpa, and all the like. And moving on, you can see that it's priced at 30.95, over 55 sales, and 50 reviews. And looking at the overall trend is up, and look at the BSR, it kind of dropped and decreased a little bit. So here are the keywords that you can use. It says graduation, shirt, funny, women, gifts, senior, proud, mommy, school, and all the like. Similar designs, nothing related to graduation. So from the same brand, oh, there you go, there you go. So just what I was saying up there, someone already made this, or the design owner already made this. Proud brother of 2021 senior. So guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about Print on Demand and KDP, this is the channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.